Amid the ferocity of Russian S-400 missiles, Ukrainian allies hesitate to send fighter jet assistance. The ferocity of Russia's S-400 Triumph anti-aircraft missile system has been proven by the downing of a Ukrainian Su-27 fighter on February 25, 2022. The presence of the S-400 anti-aircraft missile system in Russia seems to have made a number of countries promising fighter assistance to Ukraine become doubt. Quoted from BulgarianMilitary, the Ukrainian Su-27 Flanker fighter was shot down from a distance of 150 kilometers by the S-400 surface-to-air missile (SAM) system, which was installed on Belarusian territory. The distance of 150 kilometers is actually quite far, but it is not half the capability of the S-400 missile, which is capable of dropping targets at a distance of 400 kilometers. This is the first time Russia's S-400 SAM anti-aircraft missile system has shot down an enemy fighter plane in battle. Of course, this is a warning for warplanes from other countries not to indiscriminately enter Ukrainian airspace. What is the S-400 anti-aircraft missile system? The S-400 Triumph is Russia's long and medium-range anti-aircraft missile system. The S-400 is designed to destroy all advanced enemy airstrikes, aircraft or cruise missiles, including hypersonic ones. According to Western analysts, the S-400 anti-aircraft missile, along with the Iskander OTRK missile system and the Bastion anti-ship missile system, play a key role in the new concept of the Russian armed forces, known as the Access Denied Zone. This defense system is used to prevent the enemy from occupying or crossing land, sea, or air areas. So no object can enter anti-access area denial, A2AD, without risking fatal damage. The sophistication of the S-400 makes its price in the market reach around $500 million, around 7.2 trillion Indonesian rupiahs. The S-400 Triumph system is not just an installation for launching missiles, but a whole complex of coordinated systems. This system is very complex and its components are located in heavy traffic vehicles. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to deploy a division of the S-400 system. Once deployed, the time to prepare the missile to combat alert is about 3 minutes. The whole process from detecting to destroying the target happens automatically.